You know your GTM is broken. You just can't prove it yet. Maybe it's the pipeline numbers that look fine until they don't. Maybe it's the CS team that's great at check-ins but can't close a renewal to save their life. Or maybe it's RevOps that just doesn't exist and you're stuck scaling chaos instead of a system.
Most shows are just going to give you frameworks, some kind of random theory. Maybe it's even AI theory that they've created for you. Someone's best guess dressed up as their $99 playbook. We don't do that crap here. Every show we bring in operators, the real operators who've actually been in the room, made that call, missed the number, sat in the boardroom, had to rebuild their system and lived to talk about it.
We're going to cover why customer success has lost its way and what it looks like when it becomes an actual revenue engine.
We're going to identify and solve what's actually broken in your go-to-market systems, and we are going to destroy the silos between marketing, sales, and customer success.
And we'll talk about LinkedIn authority, RevOps architecture, and GTM alignment. Not as fancy buzzwords, but as problems you need to solve right now. Welcome to GTM Uncensored, built for founders, CEOs, and revenue leaders at B2B companies doing $5 to $100 million who are accountable for a number and need a real path forward, complete with practical takeaways that we call the Triple M, the Monday morning move that you could put into action each and every Monday morning.
If you're serious about wanting to change your GTM strategy, your go-to-market execution, subscribe. New episodes will drop weekly. You'll get tons of great information. And if something is broken in your revenue engine and you want to talk about it, give us a call and we would love to help you out.